For many, working from home meant digging out. When they say snow, especially the first snowstorm of the season, I mean, there's actually a gut reaction, right?
Yes, a bad one. About getting up extra early, about having extra work to do, and not knowing how much is coming.
Early morning drivers had slick roads.
Oh, it's quite difficult.
But children watched the cleanup with glee, itching to literally
jump in the snow.
The Bridgewater snow delighted 3-year-old Dominic and those able to just enjoy.
I actually love it. I don't think it's that bad. I think it's like the perfect snowy day out.
The sounds of the season, harsh, cold.
Oh, it's a mess. It's slippery out here. My hands is frozen.
But there's warmth on Menomet Street in Brockton because residents work together. So what's your strategy for getting it done?
Take a breather. Do a little bit, take a breather, and start again.
All the way to the garage. And then we do this lady across the street.
Because she's
elderly and she can't do it. So we've been doing it for about 20 years.
A lot of teamwork out here. I have to say the landscape has really changed. The slushy tire marks there, they're frozen off over. It's very slippery. Be careful if you have to go out.